Cardano may slide 4.1% by May 23, based on Traders Union projections. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. Based on the latest data, Cardano has lost 0% since yesterday and is now near $0.2525. We now take a look at forecast opinions. CoinDataFlow sees the asset moving to $0.2627 by May 23, which would mean a gain of 4.1%. Cardano is expected to move higher to $0.2529 according to 30 rates, a gain near 0.2%. Coin price forecast points out it could drop 2.25 cents, roughly 1% below now. A separate outlook from crypto predictions points to Cardano moving lower towards $0.2449, a projected loss of roughly 3%. To finish, Traders Union predicts a drop to $0.242 by May 23, 4.1% under current levels. This is the most profitable setup. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Taking the whole picture into account, the price could shift anywhere from a decrease of 4.1% to a gain of 4.1%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, CoinDataFlow projects the highest gain with 4.1% increase in value by May 23. All in all, you could net between $2 and $41 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, 30 rates has the most dependable forecast, showing a 87.6% chance of success. With the forecasts combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. Consensus trend suggests Cardano could move downward by 0.8% towards $0.2505. Let's walk through the numbers. The consensus trend signals a 0.8% decline by tomorrow. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.8%. With 1,000, the calculation could show about $8 added. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 84%. At this point in the outlook, let's check the short-term 3-day market view given by analysts. CoinDataFlow expects strength on the upside. 30 rates suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Similarly, coin price forecast anticipates downward movement in the near term. A slide is also anticipated by crypto predictions, with pressure on the downside. Additionally, Traders Union expects the chart to tilt downward. Looking across forecasts, the consensus suggests Cardano won't move far from present prices. All in all, most analysts are leaning bearish on Cardano in this horizon. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. At the end of the day, the price settled at $0.2506. 3 out of 5 matched the actual trend. The most accurate forecast was made by Coin Price Forecast. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. The session's candle included 3 forecasts. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with CoinDataFlow leading at 0.9%. Moving on to the performance summary. A clear way to compare how each analyst did. CoinLore had accuracy, 88.2% forecast probability, and 0.1% ROI. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. At third position is Cardano, while Fetch keeps the lead at 5.7%. For now, Cardano is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison is already posted on my website. If this saved you from checking every forecast one by one, a like would mean a lot. See you later.